Hey guys, just wanted to give you guys a quick little update before the video. I got a GoPro 360 Max for a different perspective than watching just normal kill cams. So I'm going to be getting more footage, more angles, and the video is going to be a little bit longer with having a different perspective of the gameplay. So hope you guys enjoy the gameplay after this. It's just more kill cam footage, but next week we'll have a different perspective with using this guy. Got it on Facebook for a pretty good price, so hope you guys enjoy the video.
My dick fell off!
I just want to apologize for this remainder bit of this video right in this point. This little segment. We were playing a bomb game mode where there was a alarm going off that we had to turn off. So it's going to be screaming for a little bit, but it will turn off later in the video.
Got him.
I just want to thank everybody for supporting me. If you guys want to keep up to date on when I post, I'll be posting every Friday. Subscribe and hit the bell for notifications.